How to change and edit your YouTube channel country of residence on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your YouTube channel. As you can see right now, I don't have any country of residence on this new channel, but I want to get one. So first thing you have to do is click here and click on YouTube Studio. It will take you directly to this page. Now after it take you to this page, click here on settings and go to the channel option, and here you will find country of residence. Click here and now choose the country that you want and choose it. For example, I'm going to choose United Kingdom and click save. Now my channel have a country, and let's say it, as you can see, it's here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.